Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be making a smile on a stick. As we craft, we're going to be learning about the sunnah of smiling. Are you excited? You're going to need cardboard, a pair of scissors, a ruler and tape, glue and paper, and colours! Your feedback is so important to improving our channel, so please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Smiling is one of the simplest yet most powerful sunnahs in Islam, and it is something that everyone, especially kids, can practice every day. So I'm grabbing my pen and drawing a big smile on this piece of card, and then I'll cut it out. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who is the best example for all of us, always had a smile on his face when meeting others. He taught us that smiling is not just a nice thing to do. It's actually an act of worship. Imagine that! Something as easy as smiling can bring you rewards from Allah. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Your smile for your brother is a charity." This means that when you smile at someone, it's like giving them a gift, just as if you are helping them or giving them something they need. A smile can make someone feel happy, welcomed, and loved, and it can even make their day better. The beautiful thing about smiling is that it costs nothing, but has so much value. Think about it. When you smile at your parents, friends, or teachers, they feel happier, and you feel good too. Smiling spreads positive energy and can help people who might be feeling sad or lonely. Even if you don't say anything, your smile can send a message of kindness and compassion. Now I'm grabbing our piece of paper. I'm going to fold it in half and put our smile made of cardboard on top. I'm going to trace around it in pencil and cut it out. Because I folded it in half, I'm going to get two smiles, one for the front and one for the back. Like we were saying, your smile can send a message of kindness. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam showed us this through his actions. People who met him often said that his face was always bright with a smile, and this made them feel comfortable and loved. Another wonderful thing about smiling is that it brings people closer together. When you smile, it makes others feel that you're friendly and caring. This is especially important when meeting new people or when trying to make friends. Islam teaches us to build good relationships with others, and smiling is one of the easiest ways to do that. It can even help when there are disagreements. If someone is upset, a smile can help calm them down and remind them that you care. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was known for resolving conflicts with gentleness and a kind smile, showing us that peace and understanding start with simple acts of kindness. Now I'm gluing on the smiles that we've just cut out, one for the back and one for the front. Now that our smiles have all been stuck, I'm grabbing our piece of paper and I'm folding it against a ruler to create a small fold. Once I've created the fold, I'm going to roll it up multiple times, folding it over and over and over until it's sturdy enough to become a stick to hold up our smile. Now that our stick is strong enough, I'm going to glue the edge and cut it out. Now that our stick is done, it's time to tape it to our smile. Smiling is also good for your own heart. When you smile, it can make you feel happy and grateful. Scientists have even found that smiling sends a signal to your brain that helps reduce stress and makes you feel better. Isn't that amazing? That Allah has created our bodies in such a way that something so small can have such a big effect. Islam always encourages us to do things that are good for us, and smiling is one of those acts that benefits both us and others. Now I'm drawing in black pen a big smile. The sunnah of smiling teaches us an important lesson that even small actions can have great rewards. You don't need to do something big or spend a lot of money to make someone happy. Just smiling is enough to spread joy and earn Allah's pleasure. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that even the smallest good deed can make a difference, and smiling is one of the easiest good deeds that we can do. It's like planting a seed of happiness in someone's heart, and that seed can grow into more kindness and positivity. Even when life feels tough, Islam encourages us to keep smiling and have hope. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam faced many challenges, but he never stopped smiling and treating people kindly. His smile showed his trust in Allah and his love for those around him. We can follow his example by trying to stay positive and sharing that positivity with others through our smiles. When we smile, it shows that we're grateful for the blessings Allah has given us and that we trust Him to take care of everything. Now that our smile is done, we can flip it and draw another smile on the other side. For kids, smiling is especially important because it can brighten up your school, home, or even the playground. When you smile at your friends, it makes them want to smile back. It creates a circle of happiness that spreads to everyone around you. You can even think of your smile as a gift from Allah that you can share with others whenever you want. So, whether you're greeting your parents in the morning, saying salam to your friends, or meeting someone new, remember to smile. It's sunnah. It's a sunnah that makes everyone feel good. In the end, smiling is more than just an expression. It's a way to follow the beautiful example of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It shows that you care about others, that you're grateful for Allah's blessings, and that you want to spread peace and happiness wherever you go. So, the next time you see someone, remember to smile, because every smile you give, it's like planting a little flower of joy in the garden of Islam. Keep smiling. It's an easy way to earn rewards, make the world a better place, and follow the sunnah of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the next person that you see, I want you to give them a big smile. They don't even have to be Muslim, but you should smile at everyone because it's sunnah.
Wow, look at the beautiful craft you made. I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can play with this fun craft and remember to smile for good deeds. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. Ya Allah, help me to smile always and spread happiness to everyone around me. Ameen. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.